Okay, we're gonna try some chicken momos.
Yeah,
only 100 rupee. Freshly cooked, freshly made. They're steaming hot. They're steaming hot. They look delicious. We're gonna continue from the previous video.
So we go to Asan Bazaar now.
Let's walk through.
I know.
I think it's a bit cooler now, no? It's not as hot.
Not as hot as before.
Look,
them wires.
the wires are dangerous, yeah. They're hanging freely everywhere. With the old architecture. Look at the little shop squashed inside. Hello. Hello, sir. You're on the ground. The little shop. Very short. See, Nepali people are much smaller, I've noticed. That's why the houses are always built a lot smaller. The doorway.
They're just also old buildings.
Nice. Namaste. How are you? Ah, key cutting. Okay. It's making keys. Selling mangoes. Nice. Road. Hello, sir. Namaste. How are you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same to you, my friend. Thank you. All the shops are pretty hidden around here. You really have to look in under the door, you know. Look at this little sweet shop. Pretty cute. Hello. Namaste. It's a pretty nice little sweet shop, my friend. It's very cute. The instrument shop. They're all like very narrow, the shops, you know. Very interesting.
That's apparently...
Apparently what?
I can't believe that they have like the bikes driving through this wall with small alleyways. So nuts, you can't even walk.
Oh, it's impossible to walk here. Oh, dangerous.
I'm really, like my feet, I'm so scared of my feet. Can you wait?
Walk, 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 no problem. Walk through.
Yeah, problem.
Okay, sorry. Watch where you're going, man. Oh, look at this marketplace. This is wild around here.
Go this way here.
You wanna walk this way? Go this way. I'll follow you, Madeline. You want to follow the lead? Do you take the lead, Madeline? No problem. That looks interesting. That gooey looking kind of texture. Spice market, yeah. That's a smelly fish. Smelly fish here, you know. Namaste. Hello. Wow. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? It's cool looking. It's a dry fish. Oh my god, look at this. Now the local food on the left. So many different types of spices and dried food. Chilies. Quite fascinating, Madeline, yeah. Nuts, seeds,
Everything.
beans. Wow, they're selling banana leaves here. Interesting. Sell them as plates, they reuse them. Go! Go, go, go. God, man, blocking the roads. Oh, blocking the road, man. Alright, they use these as plates, they're reusable, using the banana leaves.
It smells so good.
Yeah, very good. How are you, sir? Good. Very nice display. Saltstone. Yeah, the smelly dry fish, stinky, stinky. Not very pleasant. When you're walking through these streets, you smell fish. And they have a lot of different instruments and incense, and I'm not sure what they have here, but I think it's for decorations. Making your own stuff, you know, crafting your own things. Here's a nice outfit. Here's a nice hat. Hello, sir. How are you? The nice display you have here. What are you looking at, Madeline?
Yeah, that's like the one you burn.
Tika. Tika, okay.
Okay.
We're drawing the stuff on your forehead. What this guy has. So nice. Thank you, my friend. Oh my god, look at this. Look how shiny this is. You can see my reflection. Brass, no? Brass. I think it's brass, yeah. You have all the ladies and selling their vegetables on the side of the street.
Oh, this is a cool square.
It is a really cool square. It looks so old. Look at this. Looks like you go back in time.
Asan Market.
Asan Market.
I have to check myself. Asan, it's Asan Bazaar. It's the, our friend told us it's the spices, for spices.
They bought some incense, yeah? Nice. What's this guy whistling at? What did you get?
One.
Yeah, 20 rupees for this?
Yeah, 20.
Incense, yeah?
Yeah.
Talk about it.
No smell.
What's this one? No? It's not nice?
No smell. Smell.
It's too much smell. I'll try this anyways. I bring a lot of incense, so I'll try it. I'll see. She says it's no smell, but I feel like it does smell, so definitely try this out. Ritual, it's more like a ritual incense.
Yeah, you burn it over here, look.
Yeah, manner of preparation is one of the ancient traditional arts. I think it's more like what they use, you know, for their rituals.
You like the bazaar? It is a pleasant place. This is, I think, the shoe bazaar here, where they sell all the shoes, all the fake shoes and stuff like that. Namaste, namaste. How are you? I'm good, my friend. It's okay. Too expensive. Sorry? You want to sell me shoes? A lot of fake shoes around here. But they're even still expensive around here, I think. But the thing is, if you buy a fake pair of shoes, you have bad support in your feet and you do damage to your feet, you know? That's the bad thing about buying fake shoes. That's not on Google Maps, no?
All these places are not on Google Maps.
Secret food hall. Namaste.
Let's just have a look what he's selling.
What are you selling, my friend? Oh my god, it's smoky in here. It's smoky, my friend.
Whoa, what are you selling? No English.
No English.
Namaste.
Namaste, Food is good, yeah?
Looks good, looks good. I think, okay, let's go. But he's selling a lot of traditional food and it looks very delicious. It's close to the Asan Bazaar. What's the name of the place, people? Let's have a look. So in case you want to check this out.
There is no name.
That's the name, I think. That's the name.
Oh my god, this guy's fixing a wheel, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. He's the repairman.
So, guys, that's the name of the place. It looks really delicious. So, but we are full. But if you want to check it out.
Yeah, I know. I want to eat at all these local restaurants, but there's so many to choose from. It's overwhelming.
If you're in Kathmandu, you definitely have to check out the smallest of the smallest street. You're gonna find super cool little restaurants, snack shops. I think it looks pretty cool. Just check it out. Wow, beautiful.
Hey, my friend. How are you? Good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pork?
Oh, yeah, no,
Ooh.
warm, hello.
Mom. Pork, okay.
What's the name of your place? What's the name?
You have a name?
My name.
The name of the restaurant?
The name of the restaurant?
Green Leaf?
Green Leaf?
Green leaf, yeah.
Ah, the Green Leaf.
How much is this, my friend?
Yeah.
How much for the dish?
100.
100.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe I try.
Very local place. You
Can I
want
try
some
this, my
pork?
friend?
Yeah.
Can I try? Can I get one? Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna get a dish. It's not too big either, so it's small. It's like a snack. Bit of pork, mixed vegetables, some onions. I'll have one, my friend. Yeah.
You want plate?
One plate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name, sir? What's your name? What's your name?
Mine is Shiva. Mine is Shiva Khatri.
Chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you?
It's with noodles.
How many years have you been in business?
Glen, this is, you know that this is chow mein with noodles.
Chow mein, yeah. Chow mein again.
Yeah, that's what I said. I don't know why you...
Oh, we have some dumplings.
Oh, momos.
Momos.
Yeah, warm.
Oh, let's get momos.
Maybe I'll get
Yeah, we get momos. What type momos?
my friend, what momos are these? We're gonna get momos instead because we had chow mein today already.
What momos are these?
What? Momo.
One plate. One.
Pork, chicken?
100. Yeah,
Chick-
chicken, yes.
Chicken?
Can I get chicken? I'll get chicken.
One plate.
One plate, please. Okay, we're gonna try some chicken momos.
Yeah,
Only
because-
100 rupees.
Because we had some chow mein earlier. So.
Yeah, we did. The cheapest ones I've seen in town, actually. Pretty good. 100 rupee. Okay, look inside. Freshly cooked, freshly made. Look delicious.
Who made? You made? You
Steaming.
made momo? She made momo.
You make them?
Yeah, chicken momo, yeah.
She make?
Yeah, you
Okay, she make them with love, yeah? Make them with love.
Probably.
She doesn't understand. They're steaming hot. They're steaming hot. They look delicious. Let's get a plate.
One chow mein.
One plate.
No, no chow mein.
Just momo.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
We had chow mein today already. Ah, are these for me? Are these for me, these momos?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think he gives 10 momos. Nice. Hello, how are you? This guy's working. This guy's working hard. It's very busy. Right, these momos look absolutely delicious. Thanks very much. Sorry? You always get 10 momos when you order momos, actually, I've noticed. 10 chicken momos, I think mixed with vegetables inside.
Chicken, yeah.
Got some spicy sauce here to dig in. Okay, let's see, do they beat the momos we had the other day in Pokhara?
It's interesting how they all look, huh?
Yeah.
Spicy?
Oh. Yeah, I think there's chilies inside, madam. But it's steaming hot. Look at the texture, it looks
Very hot.
I mean, no.
Did you know
But
that
it's really
someone
nice,
said
tender.
you actually have to put all the momo in the mouth?
Why, because there's liquid inside sometimes?
No, I don't know. Someone said you don't really make them in half. Our friend said that.
Alright, so the special trick is put the whole thing in your mouth. Yeah.
But it's too big.
But if your mouth is not big enough, you know, you're not going to fit it in your mouth. That's the problem. Okay. Oh.
Is it hot? Like
No, it's
chili
hot.
hot?
Temperature hot.
Oh, temperature
Yeah,
hot.
yeah. It's really juicy. That's why you have to put the whole
Can you feel me?
momo in your mouth.
But the sauce is spicy, is it?
Yeah, the sauce is spicy, so give
Yeah,
that a
no.
miss. Give the chicken a go though.
Maybe not this one.
Come on, Mado.
Sauce in it. I can't
See, it's very hot though.
I can't eat the whole one. Please don't. I'm
What
sorry.
do you think though? Is it the best one you've had?
It's in the top ones, yeah? It's
Definitely in
really
the top 3, yeah?
good. Really good.
We haven't had that many though,
I know.
so we can't really...
But they're really good. Tastes delicious.
It's always the local places and the cheapest places that are usually always the most tasty.
So I tried to find green leaf, but it doesn't exist. The place I tried to search on Google Maps, but it doesn't exist.
Yeah, no
So it's
local
so
place
small.
usually
It's really
exists.
small.
Yeah, no local place is usually on Google Maps, that's the problem.
Oh, I want to show you guys where it is.
I mean,
So it's here between the Asan market and Tamil. So here, it is here. Maybe you can see that if you want to check out this place. That's where we are. That's the GPS here, the blue point. So
okay, let's finish these momos and get moving and continue our journey through the bazaar. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
150 for the momos actually, which is still pretty cheap compared to other places. We paid like 250, 300 and they weren't even as nice. That's the thing, like. Bye. Car's too big, man. Funny how he just squeezed through. Absolutely hilarious. The woman is just putting the water on the streets. It's actually stopped the dust flying into the air. That's why they put water on the streets here in Nepal. Works here. Hello, my friend. How are you?
but this one there, that's just running. Like
running shorts, yeah.
normal gym
You can
shorts.
do it.
Sorry?
You can walk around as well.
How much are these?
You need to try them on.
850.
850. Sorry?
We won't charge you a lot.
Yeah, no. You have an English accent, man.
Yes.
You're living in England for a while, yeah?
Yes.
Oh,
For 6 years.
6 years. Why did you leave?
And south.
Sorry?
South.
Why did you leave? Why? Why did you
I
leave? England. Come back
Yes, come back
to your home.
We'll stay with my families around.
Ah, yeah, I suppose. Less stress here, yeah?
Work all the way. So.
In England, work. Yeah, I understand.
People always think, oh, this life in Europe is so much better.
Different than, yes.
It's a lot different, yeah.
Totally different from.
You have
Yeah,
maybe
perspective.
higher standards, but people are not that happy, yeah?
I've seen all the people around there, so go to the pub, be
Exactly.
socialised there, and that's it.
And then work, and then
Yeah,
do the
work.
same again, huh?
Yes.
You like these?
Yeah. I do try though.
How much are these?
So it's your shop or you?
My friends.
Your friend's shop.
Okay. Do you have a, what size are these? These are too small. Welcome to Nepal. Like I said, welcome to Nepal.
So guys, we're gonna continue our video walking to the Tamil. We're gonna end this video here because it's too long. We hope you see you in the next video where we're gonna explore the market.
Tamil market, is it?
Tamil. Yeah.
Okay, see you in the next one, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.